Hello, it's time to start practicing the sound of our vowel letters. The vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. So let's start with A. A says ah, like in the word hat, or map, or rat. A says ah. Say it with me. A says ah. The next letter is E. E says eh, like the word egg, or red, or like when you tell your dog to fetch. E says eh. Say it with me. E says eh. The next letter is I. I says e, like in the word itch, and your eye will itch if you forget its dot. Also the word wish, or the word sit, they'll have the e sound. I says e. Say it with me. I says e. The next letter is the O. O says ah, like in the word dot, or the word hop, or not. O says ah, like when you go to the dentist and he says open wide. I make a O shape with my mouth and say ah. O says ah. Say it with me. O says ah. The last letter is the U. U says like the word rug, or the word mud, or cut. It's kind of like when you're thinking out loud. Someone asks you a tough question and you say, yeah, U says, say it with me. U says, wonderful. Keep up the good work.